Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about dividend decision and three dividend which is in practice. We are going to look to it. Fine. So yes. So what is dividend decision? Dividend decision is decision taken by the board of directors. So there is a big difference between what is different policy and different decision. Dividend decision. Dividend policy is a kind of policy document. It's some kind of promise that every year a kind of certain percentage or basic amount will be given to their shareholder as a dividend. Such thing we will be calling as a dividend policy. Dividend policy is a document or agreement which states that to the every shareholders that every year you will be getting dividend at minimum amount or at a maximum amount, but you will be getting a dividend. You will be getting dividend. That's a dividend policy. Dividend decision is purely on the basis of board of directors and board of members. So if you take a dividend decision, some years they will be giving dividend, some years they won't, some years they will be giving. So if you take board of members, there is three options for them to take. One is to provide dividend to their shareholder. First one is. Second one is from the profit they can reinvest in the same business. Reinvest in the same business. Third option is they can use the profit or the earning to invest in some other things, some other investment option to get more profit. So there is three options. One is from the profit they have to give dividend to their shareholder. Second is they want to reinvest in their same business. Otherwise, they want to invest in some other option. Fine. So dividend decision will be changed. Like dividend policy means every year they want to give the minimum amount. Every year they want to give. Likewise, it will be. Dividend decision is based on the board of directors, board of members. They will be sitting together whether this year we want to give or we want to reinvest in our business. Otherwise, we want to invest in some other option. They will be taking decision and they will be doing the things. So board of directors or board of members will be deciding the dividend decision. Decision will be changed year based on the board of board meeting. It will the decision will vary. Okay, fine. If the board of directors decided to give, they will be giving dividend. If the board of directors wants to reinvest that particular amount, they will be reinvesting it. So every year they won't receive same dividend and so on. Alternative years they can get based on the decision of board of directors. It will vary. Fine. Yes. So we'll see what are the practices in dividend now. There is three types of dividend practices in stock market nowadays. One is final dividend, another one is interim dividend, and another one is special dividend. So what is interim dividend? Interim dividend is a distribution of shareholders that has been both declared and paid before a company has determined its full year earning. Such dividends are frequently distributed to the shareholder of a company's common stock on either quarterly on or semi-annual basis. So interim dividend is before completing accounting year based on the demand, based on the operation of that particular firm. If they are going to give the dividend, we will be calling as an interim dividend. Before completing accounting year, if they got some new project or if the operation is good, if it is more well performing, then they will be declaring interim dividend. Fine. So final dividend. What is final dividend? Final dividend is a dividend calculated at the end of the financial year based on the company's annual profit. Final dividend is they will be looking entire accounting year from April to March Once March gets over, they will look to the 4 quarter results, how much sales they have obtained, how much income they have taken, expense, overall income tax deduction. After that, how much earnings or net profit they have taken in a year. At one financial year they will be deciding, or one after accounting year calculation, entire 1 year profit will be calculated, and then they will be deciding if they want to give the dividend. That dividend will be called as financial dividend. Fine. At one academic, sorry, at one accounting year, or one financial year gets over, based on the financial performance of that particular company, if they are declaring dividend, then it is called as final dividend. After completion of accounting year, a financial year, if they are looking into profit and other things, and they are taking, after seeing the entire year performance, if they are going to give the dividend, it's called as final dividend. In between, when they get some projects, when they get some good demand, or when the company is well performing, if they give certain, when they declare suddenly a dividend, then it is called as interim dividend. Special dividend is when, during the special occasion of that organization or firm, they will give the special dividend to their shareholders. Fine. So these are the 3 dividend practices nowadays they are following in share market. Here I have mentioned some of the companies who gives final dividend. Every company given final dividend. If you see month, it will be June, because if you take March as the accounting year end, they will be taking years of time to consolidate the overall income, expense, tax and interest and everything. After that, they will be having board of directors meeting, and then they will be deciding the decision, how much dividend they are going to give. These are the final dividend. uh, Interim dividend also it will be given, like KNR construction is one of the finest example. After getting the central government highway project construction, they have given interim dividend to their shareholder. So likewise, if they are getting some high demand or project, likewise they will be giving interim dividend. Final dividend is after completing one accounting year or financial year, after seeing the performance, if they are giving, then it is final. Special dividend during special occasion of that particular organization or firm, if they giving the such dividend, it called as special dividend. Dividend decision is more corrective measure by giving dividend, because not you should not follow dividend policy. For investor it will be fine. For the person who is running that particular company, it will be very difficult, like COVID like situation and other situation, it will very difficult to run that particular organization or a firm. So uh, dividend decision is the better decision compared to dividend policy, according to my perception. Fine. So in this video, we have seen what is dividend decision, which is taken by the board of directors every year based on the performance of the company. They won't give the dividend policy. They will be following dividend decision. And we have seen in practice dividend, final dividend, interim dividend, and we have seen special dividend, and we have seen all the 3. Final dividend is after completion of accounting year, the entire financial performance will be analyzed, and if they declare dividend, then it is final dividend. In between, if they get some projects or something, based on the demand, if they are going to give, then it is an interim dividend in between the accounting year. And if it is a special dividend, in the special occasion of an organization or a firm, they will be giving special dividend to their shareholder. Fine. Thank you.